Hi guys, you're welcome to this Telegram tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Telegram account in just few steps. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video so you can get all the required steps in creating a Telegram account. And also, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. Guys, the first step you have to take is to download the Telegram app. And you can do that in your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, go over to your App Store. But since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial, I will tap on my Play Store. So you have to go over to your home screen, then you look for your Play Store logo or your Play Store icon or your App Store logo. So I can see my Play Store icon right there. So let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening up. So once your Play Store opens up, the first step you have to take now is to search for Telegram. And you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on the search icon. Then the next step now is to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then you type in Telegram. So let me type in Telegram, Telegram. Then let me tap on the search icon down there. So guys, right there you can see the Telegram logo. So let me tap on the Telegram to open up the Telegram page. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the Telegram. You can see the logo and you can see the name right there. So for you to go ahead now to download and install this Telegram app into your phone, what you simply have to do is to tap on install. So let me tap on install right there. Let me do it real quick. So guys, now you can see the Telegram app I've started installing. You can see is at 36%. Let's just wait till it gets to 100%. Then it's going to start installing automatically. Wow guys, you can see it has started installing. Wow, you can see installed. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to open the Telegram app. So let me tap on open right away. You can see the Telegram app is opening. So guys, now we've opened the Telegram app. This is the first step, which is downloading and installing, and we've done that. So now the next step now is to create a Telegram account here in this Telegram app. So let me tap on get started, start messaging. Let me tap on start messaging. So guys, now you can see what's written here. It says please allow Telegram to receive calls so that you can automatically confirm your phone number. So let me tap on continue. Then you can see this notification down there, allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Let me tap on allow. So guys, you can see the next step. It says your phone number, please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So guys, you have to select your country code and also your phone number. So let me go ahead now to select my country. Then let me scroll through now to look for my country. You can go ahead to look for your country. You can use the search icon to actually search for your country. You can see it right there at the top. But let me just scroll real quick. Let me go down. So guys, I've seen my country, so let me select it. I can see the country codes alongside. The country is on the left hand side while the country code is on the right hand side. You can see it. So let me select Nigeria. So guys, now you can see I've selected Nigeria and the country code is right there. So let me go ahead now to input my phone number. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me input it. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my phone number and as well my country is there and my country's code. So let me tap on the next icon there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. You can see the next step. It says, is this the correct number? Yes, that's the correct number. So let me tap on yes on the right hand side. You can see the notice right here. It says allow Telegram to access your phone call logs. So let me tap on allow. You can see it's loading up. Guys, can see what's written here. It says choose a login email. You receive Telegram login codes via email and not SMS. Please enter an email address to which you have access. So let me go ahead now to input an email. I really don't know why they are going through this step. Normally they will ask you to input your number and you receive an SMS code, but this time around they're asking us to input an email. Let's just follow the process. So let me go ahead now to input my email. Then let me tap on next. Wow guys, can see the next step, verification code. Please check your email. Don't forget the spam folder and enter the code we just sent you. So what I'll do now is to go over to my email inbox and get the code real quick. Let me minimize and let me go over to my Gmail. So guys, you can see that's the code. I just received the code right there. You can see it there. So let me go ahead now to copy it. Let me tap on it to open it. Then let me copy the code real quick. Let me copy it. So guys, I've copied it. So let me go back to Telegram now to continue the process. Then let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. Wow guys, can see they brought us back to the next step. You can see they said enter code. We have sent you SMS with an activation code to your phone number. So guys, now you can see this is the step I was talking about, and they brought it over to this point. So let me go ahead now to check out for the code that has been sent as an SMS to my phone number. Let me scroll down from the top of my phone. So guys can see it's right there now. That's the code. So let me go ahead now to impute it. So guys can see I've imputed it. Wow guys, can see here's the next step. They said profile info, enter your name and add a profile photo. So let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I've imputed my first name and my last name. So what you can do next now is to go ahead now to upload your profile image. I can do that by tapping on the camera icon at the top, but I don't want to go through that process. If you want to do it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it so you see it. You can see it now. Then what you have to do now is to tap on either take photo or upload photo from your gallery. Let me tap on upload from gallery. Then what you have to do now is to choose the image that you want. Then you're good to go. So let me go back now down to upload the profile image. Then what you have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. Wow guys, can see welcome to Telegram. Start messaging by tapping the pencil button. Let me tap on allow. They said allow Telegram to send you notifications. Let me tap on allow. You see start messaging by tapping the pencil button in the bottom right corner. So guys, now let me tap on the pencil icon now. You can see. Then let me tap on continue. Then let me tap on allow to allow Telegram to have access to my contacts. Let me tap on allow. So guys, now you can see here are the contacts that I have now. You can see I can now chat with people on Telegram. I can now create Telegram groups. I can now create Telegram channels and the rest of them. So guys, now this I can be able to create a Telegram account on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking. See you in our next upload on Telegram tutorials like this. Bye.